Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to shop on AliExpress and ship to Kenya. If you're interested, continue watching. The first thing that you need is an AliExpress app on your phone. Just open AliExpress. If you have not installed the AliExpress app, install it. And now we are opening our app. This is how the app looks like. You can see we have various categories. We have like fashion, beauty, phones, accessories, etc. So here we are just signing in our account. I'm just signing in because I already have account with AliExpress. I'm putting in my email address and I put in my password, then I sign in. Now I'm logged in and I have upper hand on seeing good stuffs and good deals in the app. Now guys, I'm just scrolling down to show you how much AliExpress has to offer and you're spoiled for choice. Now let's go to the category section. You can see we have various categories. We have fashion, we have beauty, we have home and kitchen, we have tools. You're spoiled for choice. Anything that you would want, you can get it on AliExpress and at affordable price. I love AliExpress because you can get everything that you need. So I have chosen beauty, of course, because I love beauty and fashion, and we'll go right away to makeup brushes tool section. In this section we have various brushes and I'm just scrolling down to see what catches my eyes. We have so many different sellers on AliExpress. There are so many different sellers with different prices. So before you make your choice, you have to research first on free shipping, I would say. The second thing that you should make sure you look for is for reviews, and the third thing is for the rating of the seller. So here I'm just scrolling down, waiting to see if I can get a good deal, and I think I got one. So when you click the photo, it will take you right away to the seller's website, and this is how the website on AliExpress, not really a website, like a store for this on the store for the seller. This is how the store looks like. It has videos, pictures, and yeah, so the first thing I do, I check on the video to see if the product on the picture matches the video. Then I like the product to go straight to my favorites, and then I see if the product is offering free shipping. Of course, this particular product is giving us free shipping, so that's a plus on our side. Then I'll just scroll down and look for reviews. I want to see if this seller is legit, if he or she is genuine. So I will go direct to the reviews, and as you can see, good pictures from people who have already bought the brushes. I will just scroll down. I'll just go through the photos until I'm convinced that this is the seller that I want to purchase the brushes. So after seeing the reviews, I'm satisfied, and I want to see more about the seller. Yeah, so after I'm convinced that this is the seller that I want to use, I will click the select color button, and then I will start selecting the color because the brushes comes with different colors. Then I will add the product on my cart. So here I'm just scrolling down and I want to see if something attracts me, and I will go to fashion, as I said. So for the fashion, we have different categories, and of course I want to see various dresses, and I'm telling you, these dresses on AliExpress is something else. Very beautiful but affordable. Very nice colors, very nice designs. I just love AliExpress dresses because first they're affordable, So here I'm just scrolling down, seeing what catches my eyes, and I think this yellow dress is something beautiful for only 327 shillings. Can you imagine? 327, and you get that dress for free shipping. So I'm just scrolling down to know more about the seller, and as you scroll down, you'll be given related images, or you'll be given related products. So I'm just scrolling down, then I go to the description of the dress to know the sizes, the materials. Then this particular seller even offers wholesale. So if you are thinking of buying on wholesale and sell, you can use this seller. So the color comes in red, blue, pink, and sky blue and yellow. So you're spoiled for choice. Any color that you want, they got you. So what I'm doing here, I'm just scrolling down, and I think I like this product. I'll just go to select size. I select my size, which is large. Then I select the color, which is red, because I think yellow is out of stock. I wanted yellow. Then I add it on the cart. So you can either click the buy now button, but if you want to do more shopping, you can you can click the add button. Now we have two products on my cart, and now I want to show you how to make the purchase. So I'll just click the cart button, and it will take me to this place. In my cart I have 60 products. Currently I have 60 products, but I'll just show you with the two that I have selected just now with you guys. So I'll just select the two. If you want to select the two, you just highlight the boxes, then it will take me to this page where I'm needed to fill in my address. And as you can see on top there, my address Esther Wangui is already there. And that's my address. And if you don't have an address, you can go there, edit address, and you can put all your details and your PO box. Then this is now the total cost of the two items, and I'm required to pay 684 shillings because both items are free shipping. Okay, so after now this, I will just place an order to get a payment method, so that I can know which payment method is best for me. So I'm selecting the payment method. I noticed in this particular order, the M-Pesa button was not active, and I suspected maybe one of the seller does not allow M-Pesa. So I had to go back and remove the dress for now, because I want to show you guys how to purchase on AliExpress with the M-Pesa. So I just selected the brushes, then selected paid, and now you can see the M-Pesa is available. So you just click the M-Pesa, put your mobile number there. When you put your mobile number, then you hit done. You hit that button, done. Then you place an order, and then after you place an order, now here I'm just reviewing the information if it's correct, then you just place the order. So when you place the order, this is the message that it will come on your phone, and now you will get another confirmation message on your phone to authorize this particular purchase. And that's how this is done. Guys, we have shopped on AliExpress using our M-Pesa, and we have gotten a free shipping deal. So this is how I shop on AliExpress, and this is how easy it is. Nothing complicated, nothing hard. Just follow the steps that I have given you. Here, these are the sum of the orders that I have placed in the past, and I have received the items. I'm just showing you. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos. And thank you so much for watching until the end. I appreciate you so much. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. If there are people who may want or are looking for ways to shop online but they don't know how, share this video with them. Okay, so yeah, this is how I shop on AliExpress, and they have very, very good products. Try them. If you have used AliExpress, comment down below. Let me know your experience with them. Until next time. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye bye.